For a true cabin getaway that your renters will remember, we welcome you to the Last Resort at 1870 Billard Way, Sevierville, in the Eagle Crest community. With 5 bedrooms and 6 baths, this impressive cabin offers you and your guests 3,400 square feet of living area. It boasts some of the best views in the state, overlooking Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, the Pigeon River Valley, and it's close enough to world-famous Dollywood you can hear Klondike Katie steaming through the park. Walk into the main level and be caught up in the open concept living area, custom woodwork, and stone fireplace. The dining area provides plenty of seating for all guests, and the kitchen, spacious and fully equipped. This expansive 4-story cabin is richly enhanced with beautiful Amish crafted furniture with spiral staircases between all floors. Step into the first of 4 king bedrooms, private and comfortable, and 4 decks to greet you with astonishing mountain views. On the top floor, look up to the loft for an additional bed that's perfect for anyone who enjoys gaming and entertainment. As they look out over this room that provides a pool table, a large screen video game, a bar, and $1 million mountain view. 2 decks provide hot tubs to virtually melt your cares away. The Last Resort offers rental incomes that exceeded $80,000 even during the pandemic. It's part of magnificent mountain community Eagle Crest Resort, offering a swimming pool, water, sewer, and trash pickup. This should be your next cabin. The Last Resort at 1870 Billard Way awaits your private tour. Call Cid Fernandez or Brian Burkett of Fathom Realty direct